Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to collect mushroom in Royal Kingdom. In Royal Kingdom, collecting mushroom is a straightforward process once they appear, which is typically around level 4601. Mushroom exist on a lower layer of the game board, so to clear them, you need to make matches adjacent to them or use a power-up that hits them directly. When a mushroom is destroyed, the ground beneath it is revealed, and your goal is to clear that ground quickly, either by making matches over it or using additional power-ups before the mushroom reappears. Essentially, the strategy is to prevent the mushroom from regrowing by continuously targeting the ground layer. For events that require collecting mushrooms, simply focus on levels with mushrooms and use matches and power ups effectively to gather them efficiently. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.